Are you looking for a file that you couldn't find in Lumafusion? In this video, I'm going to show you where Lumafusion store its file. Let's go. First thing first, right? Where and why do you want to know where Lumafusion file is? Usually, most people, like myself, I only have a very small iPad, okay, memory-wise, okay, 64 gig, only 64 gigs. Okay, so what I use mainly is I use an external drive, okay, an SSD drive. Okay, I use a Samsung T7 for me personally. That's what I like to use. But some of you are into the iPad and you max it out your memory on your iPad Air, iPad Pro, whatever. Okay, but let me remind you, all the memories in the world will not fit into your iPad. Okay, if you're shooting 4K like myself, your capacity will max out. Now let's look at the memory that I have so far. Let's go to my settings. Okay, look at my iPad right now, right? So right now my iPad memory is nearly maxed out. Okay, I'm using 55 gigabyte. But Lumafusion, look at this, 19 gig already. Okay, but I have no files. Now let's go to Lumafusion. Okay, can we clear this up? Can we restore this to a minimum? Some of you might want to find out how we can do that. There's a safe way and there's a not so safe way. I'll show you the safe way first. Right now we're in Lumafusion, loading up. Fingers crossed it's still loading. Okay, I got this project here, right? It's done. Export it out, up on YouTube. Beautiful, done. When we want to know our memory, what is its usage, okay? We just go to our settings right here, bottom left corner, the question mark, tap on that and go to clean up. You can clean up. This is the best way you can clean up your file in Lumafusion, okay? Go to your clean up. Now, there's a cache file, okay? So all this is in your cache. You want to clear all that out or not? So all these settings right here, you play with that. Now, some of you do your voiceover, okay? So if you want to do a cleanup, you just go there, okay? The trash cans, okay? And it will clean out your file. But some of you are imported out, okay? Into your iPad and you don't know where it is, okay? So right here, the file info, I have around 2 gig and it usually was file, okay? So it's automatically have that as well. You need to go to this file right here. You need to open your file app. Okay, let's go open that file app. Boom, right there. Now go to on your iPad, my iPad. Okay, Lumafusion. Okay, go to Lumafusion right there. Now be very careful. Okay, if you delete this, it will be gone forever. Now go to user media. Okay. Render movies, okay, you can delete from there, okay, render movies, okay, other app, okay, so this all the graphics that I imported in from other apps, like this one I imported in from Procreate, so it's in here and it will clog up my memory on my iPad right here, okay, so you can move it out to your SSD drive or you can clean it up from here, okay, it's up to you, okay, I'll leave it like that. It's a very small file, so I'm alright with that. Also, your voiceover, okay. You want to do voiceover, it's all in here. You can do voiceover with Lumafusion. Yes, you can. Okay. So if you do some kind of voiceover and you need a backup of that, go here, copy it, save it. Okay. And you clear up your iPad memory. Now, also the iPad will store some of the files as the cache memory. Okay. To get rid of that cache file, you need to plug the iPad in. Okay. Plug the iPad into your computer, your Mac computer, okay? Then you have to open a hidden file. Then you can clear it out from there, okay? But for most cases, you don't need it, okay? Just use this thing right here, okay? The clean up, okay? 2 gig, I'll clean it up right now. Clean, delete project. Ooh, all this, I can delete it out. Okay, you clean it up from there as well. So the link file right there, I'll clean it up. The link file, 5 gig, clean up. So it's deleting the files right there. So I still can save some space right there if I want to, okay? And I'm just doing that. Lumafusion is doing that. So that's it, my friend, okay? So go to your settings first and clean up your file from there. Now, if you're really desperate to know where it is, open the file app. All the files are in there, okay? Clean up complete, remove 5 gig, perfect. Okay, so I'm done with that and I'm good. Okay, now let's go back to my iPad settings. Okay, let's update it. iPad storage. Right now it's clear up 5 gig. Before it was 55 gig. Now it's clear up 5 gig for me, which is alright. But this one, it still has in memory. Okay, 18 gig is still in memory. The iPad will automatically change it. When you open a new settings, a new file, new project, the iPad will automatically delete this out, so you can reuse it again. Okay. we can automatically reuse this. Okay, so don't be too hung up on that. As long as you can work with whatever you have right here, it's really fine. But always SSD drive, all your meters in here. It's better that way. 64 gig I've been using with this iPad right here, and it served me perfectly well, okay, for the past year. No problem editing 4K. So don't be hung up on where is the iPad store my memory. Get this. Okay? Store all your media into here and you will never have this problem again. And that's that, ciao. I'm a TimelapseNuts. If you want to see more of my video, check this video out right here on my playlist. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Okay? I'll see you next time with another video.